Emotional.
Yeah. I would like to request that we watch the episodes with you guys every week.
Yeah. You can come round our house.
Yeah. It's like this.
What was that like though? 5,000 plus people, you got to watch it with them, experiencing all the emotions together, and a lot happened in that episode, and I almost want to, digest the whole thing, but what was that like for you? Because this is, what, a year and a half plus in the making?
I'm gonna cry.
We're all feeling incredibly emotional, if I'm being really honest, and I think... That wasn't a plea for applause, but also because I think you've got an amazing new doctor, basically.
Don't be too nice, else I just won't speak, I'll just sit and cry.
This might help. Maybe we should give a shout out to all Tim Shaw's watching.
Yeah, sorry.
Is there a personal vendetta?
I think the thing about sharing this finally is that it feels unfair to be here without Mandip, Pitocin and Brad and Sharon and Sam, who is Tim Shaw. Johnny Dixon and all these incredible people that made up this episode, which the entire series is a love letter for every incredible inspiration and gem of an idea that could be thrown
let's talk
into
about
a
some
season.
of the big reveals that we got in this episode though. This is the first time we're seeing the sonic screwdriver, but it's just more than seeing the end result, which are out there, you can see them all here, yeah.
When we watched that from up in that balcony up there, and when you guys did that, it was extraordinary. It looked amazing.
But we're seeing our doctor pretty much for the first time, get her hands dirty and building the sonic screwdriver from scratch. So we're just seeing how brilliant she is this time.
I did my own welding. Thank you very much.
And the other reveal we saw was the costume, and this was a big thing, and I want to hear the story again because it's so great about the influences and depictions of seeing the costume and how it got from an idea to an actual outfit. And shout out to the fact that it's practical with pants and boots. Yeah! That's important. And pockets.
It's got pockets. Of course it's got pockets. Doctor cannot have a pocket. So the conversation throughout the entire process was that this character, from the very start of my audition, was that this is a collaborative and a creative journey that you will have a say. And often there is no, it's not to say on other jobs you don't get a say, of course you do, but you can't be like, I'm going to wear a wetsuit and it's set in a desert, and there would be no point. So, but with this comes that blank slate. And so Ray Holman, the costume designer, and I, who were lucky enough to meet because of Chib's previous on Broadchurch, so we met like secret squirrels, whispering and panicking, and I'd sent throughout my audition process. Poor Chris, who probably wishes most people didn't have his number when they're auditioning for a job, because I sent you probably an image a day from something, somewhere, and the wonder of Google and sending things. But one of the images I sent, which I actually didn't mean to send as a costume reference, I was not getting beyond the audition stages. I loved the energy. It was a black and white image of a woman walking with purpose and deep in thought, with crop trousers, boots, braces and a t-shirt. And because it's black and white, you can't tell where it's from, but it has the fun element of a t-shirt. It has the timelessness of a pleat in a trouser leg, and it can, and if you look back at it and you held the image far away, it was genderless, and obviously that person could move in it and it was comfortable. But the fact it was black and white as well didn't give it a mood. It was there to be created for us. So that was our starting off point. And then the coat, I love the coat. I love the coat so much. And but the coat particularly, the conversations of colours and the use of colour, because I'm quite a colourful character. I like colour, and I think I wanted to reflect, you know, the like moments of brightness that there would be, but in the coat, it's a kind of, the interior lining is a dark blue, and I felt that represented the space I was falling through for this episode. And then the exterior is like a dawn sky, and it has the important things. It has a pocket, it has more than one. But without me ever spoiling this, it has every single stitch has a meaning, and every single cut and every single piece of lining. And I won't tell you, because I'll wait until it's over, because the best thing for me is that you guys wear it, and you own it, and it's yours, and those things mean something to you, and then one day I'll share.
Hold on to it then. This is a New York Comic Con panel, which means you guys get to ask questions as well. Whoa, okay, guys. We're all friends here, yeah? You will get your questions. So let's have a question over here.
Hi, my name is Katie Bienvenue. I'm from Suffolk, New York. I'm actually dressed as Jodie from
My skills. You look amazing.
So, yeah, that kind of goes with my question, because I've been a fan of yours for a very long time, since St. Trinian's. Jodie is like the most amazing person ever. I've seen a lot of your work, and a lot of the stuff I love and admire is how not only flawed, but very human, but also like encouraging strong female characters you play. And I was wondering if you have any advice for the girls and the women who are watching, especially now, like, you know, with given things lately around everywhere.
I would say
everywhere. But like, do you have any words of encouragement? Can we hear from the doctor?
I think we have a voice, and we are entitled to be listened to, and we understand sometimes, and we sometimes have to unite to have the bravery to use it, but let's use it. Also, we are flawed, soz, but we are, and that's a wonderful thing to embrace. Perfection is not the aim. It is not the aim. It is. It's too ironed out. Like the beauty in all the characters you love and cosplay as, or meet in life, the characters on the street. People are fascinating because of how different we are, and how much we shouldn't all be a clone, and we are individuals, but on that, what is wonderful is a united hood, and I can, for myself, say the united sisterhood, but also the united hoofhood, the united humanhood that we can embrace and are embracing.
Thank you so much.
No worries. Next question.
Hello, my name is Edwin. I'm from Connecticut, and I don't really have a question. I just have a huge thank you. I've been a fan of the show all of my life, and Jodie, you are an awesome doctor. That was an amazing episode. It was a breath of fresh air. Absolutely wonderful. Thank you.